Changing your subscription on PVcase can help you manage your account according to your needs. Follow these steps to successfully update your subscription. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the PVcase website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to subscription settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or subscription management section. This is typically found in the user profile or account dashboard. Step 3. Review current subscription. In the subscription settings, review current subscription details. Take note of the features and pricing associated with your current plan to compare with other options. Step 4. Select new subscription plan. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes and payment. After selecting your new subscription plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to enter payment information if there is a price difference. Review all details before finalizing the change. After completing these steps, your subscription will be updated. Check your email for confirmation and enjoy the new features of your selected plan.